Why does repartitioning a disk often lead to data loss? Imagine trying to reorganize a cluttered closet without taking everything out first. Repartitioning a disk is similar. It changes how your data is organized inside the computer. When you repartition, you are altering the structure that the operating system uses to find and access data. This structure includes the partition table and file system metadata. If these get damaged or overwritten, the system can't locate your files anymore. Repartitioning involves creating, resizing, or deleting partitions, which are like separate storage compartments on your disk. The partition table is a critical file that keeps track of where each partition starts and ends. If this table gets corrupted or erased during the process, the operating system loses track of where data is stored. This can make your files appear missing or cause the entire partition to become unreadable. One common cause of data loss is accidentally deleting or formatting a partition. When you format a partition, you erase the file system information that organizes your data. Even if the data is still physically on the disk, without the file system, it becomes very difficult to recover. Sometimes, users try to resize partitions but forget to back up their data first. This can lead to unintentional data loss if something goes wrong. Power failures or system crashes during repartitioning are another big problem. If the process is interrupted, the partition table might end up in an inconsistent state. This can cause corruption, making data inaccessible or leading to complete disk failure. Using unreliable or poorly designed partitioning tools can also increase the risk. Some third-party programs may not handle the process safely, which can corrupt the disk structure. Changing a partition from one file system to another, or performing a full format, overwrites data areas on the disk. This means the original data is permanently erased, making recovery impossible without specialized tools. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux all manage partitions differently, but they all depend on accurate partition tables and file system information. Before you start repartitioning, always back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Use trusted tools provided by your operating system or well-known third-party software designed for safe partition management. Avoid doing this during unstable conditions, like low battery or unstable power sources. Remember, repartitioning changes the core structure that organizes your data. Mistakes, interruptions, or bad tools can damage this structure, leading to data loss. Planning ahead, using reliable software, and making backups are the best ways to keep your data safe during this process.